Students, our today's topic on economic botany. We again study some timber yielding plants like acacia and tectona. Wood or timber is very useful for humankind. Acacia nilotica known as a firewood or tectona grandis as a timber wood. The wood or timber is a forest product in a mankind service from the ancient time. The wood is used as a fuel, as a raw material for paper and iron industries. Basically, the wood of two types, porous wood and non-porous wood. The wood is used as fuel, petroleum constructional, railway carriages, packing, tea chests, furniture, shipbuilding, courts, plywood industry, cork, etc. various uses. Description, description of Acacia nilotica belongs to family Mimosaceae, genus Acacia, species nilotica. Local name is Babul, belongs to family Mimosaceae, useful organ timber or wood. Habitat of acacia plant. It is found throughout the drier regions of India, basically native from Egypt south to Mozambique and apparently introduced to Zanzibar, Pemba and India and Arabia. Considered as a serious weed in South Africa. Morphology of acacia plant. A moderate sized tree up to 10 meter in height with dark brown or black longitudinally fissured rough bark and reddish brown heartwood. Branchlets are slender, pubescent when young leaves bipinnately compound, man rakish downy, often with glands. Stipular spines highly variable, often whitish, straight and sharp. Flowers are golden yellow in globose heads, peduncles axillary in fascicles of 2 to 6. Fruits are stalked, compressed, moniliform pods with construction between the seeds, seeds 8 to 12 per pod. The gum exudes from cuts in the bark in the form of rounded or oval tears, each drop about 1.25 cm in size. Its color varies from pale yellow to black. Cultivation process of acacia. Trees propagated in forest by seeds. Stored seed may require scarification. Young seedlings are said to require full sun and frequent weeding. In this picture we saw the cutted wood of Acacia nilotica, centrally dark and outer lighter wood. Chemical composition of Acacia nilotica wood and gums produced by the acacia. Gum of the tree contains calcium, magnesium and potassium, malic acid, sugar, bark, and pods contain a large quantity of tannins. Usage of wood. It is popular for cots, bodywork, spokes, navels, axles, fallage, yokes and softs, and for agriculture implements such as ploughs, harrows and cold crushers. It is useful tool handle wood but not for all types of handle. It can be used for tent pegs. It can be described as one of the best Indian utility woods where hardness and toughness are required. It is a good ternary wood. Next would we study Tectona grandis, family Verbenaceae, genus Tectona, scientific name Tectona grandis, local name also known as teak and saguan tree. Useful organ is timber or wood. Location of the teak. The teak is well grown in all the parts of India. It is also found in Gir National Park, Satpura National Park, Panch Tiger Reserve in India. Morphology of teak plant. Teak is a tall evergreen tree. It has yellowish blonde to reddish brown wood. It attains the height of about 30 meters. The fruit is a drupe. It has bluish to white flowers. It produces a large leaf similar to the tobacco leaf. The bark is whitish grey in color. It is generally grown straight with the uneven texture, medium luster, and the oily feel. The upper surface of the tree is rough to touch, and the inner surface has hair. The fruit is enclosed by bladder-like calyx, which is light brown, ribbed, and papery. Cultivation process of Tectona. The new plants can also be propagated from cuttings. It is usually planted when the 4 to 6 weeks old. Fluff the land thoroughly and level it. The best season to plant the teak is monsoon, most probably after the first shower. Carry out weeding operations regularly. Teak basically requires loamy soil rich in humus and having the right content of moisture and good drainage qualities. It grows well in hilly and dry areas. It requires a dry tropical climate for its overall growth. It flowers in February and March. Hardwood is yellowish in color as is on the wick. It darkens as its edge or when it is old. Sometimes there are dark patches on it. There is a leather-like scent in newly cutted wood. Sapwood is a whitish to pale yellowish brown in color. This is the basic character of Tectona wood. It can easily separate from hardwood. Wood texture is hard and ring porous. Density of wood is around 720 kilogram. Like M3. Usage. Timber is famous. Tectona timber is famous all over the world for house, building, and furniture. The Tectona wood is very durable and resistant to fungus. These qualities make it very useful for various purposes. Wood waste in the form of wood, sewing and sawdust is used for chipboards, fireboard, and plastic boards. Teak is used for soundboards of musical instruments, keys, etc., and for different grades of plywood. These are the some uses of Tectona wood. Thanks, students.